What is going on, everyone? Welcome back. So CCIV just does not want to stop. I mean, look at today. We hit a price upwards of $64. Right now it's at 63. Market cap $16 billion. And this is all based on the potential merger with Lucid Motors. So again, to the date of this filming, I have not seen any sort of confirmation that they've merged yet, but yet people are still getting into it. I've noticed that there's more media articles being promoted talking about the potential merger. So it seems like people are probably doing buying the rumor, selling the news. That's a common thing that people do when investing. And so I don't know how high the price will go, but I just really think it's interesting to see like how this past few weeks, like it's been playing out. Because I made my first video when I was around like 30ish so dollars, and now it's already pretty much almost 2x, give or take. And then even other people who got in earlier, I mean, if you got in at sub pretty much $10 plus, I'd say you're doing pretty well if you're still holding. But again, nothing in this video is financial advice. Remember that. Always do your due diligence and research before making any investments. But I've been looking at other articles, interviews of just overall Lucid Motors, and here we can just go and check it out. See if I can show you some history, some fun facts, because in case people might be just following it and they have no idea. They've actually were started way back in '07. And the interesting thing is, because I saw this video like the other day, and I didn't realize like, oh, that's a Lucid Motors, right? So here we can check this out. Marquise Brownlee. He obviously, if you follow tech or been on YouTube, I mean, he's massive channel, 13 plus mil subs. He makes a lot of content in tech, reviews, etc. And I mean, this was posted back in March of 2017, right? So like here I can just go ahead and play a really quick snippet of it. But basically, it's just showcasing the Lucid Air in this actual video. And they're showing like how they, designed it and molded it out and everything. And this was what, pretty much 4 years ago. So it's kind of crazy to see like they already had their full model, everything already being promoted back on a massive channel. And now all of a sudden they're finally having news of a potential merger. So I think that's just cool to see. Like, hey, they actually, have a legit product. It's nice, it's clean looking. And obviously this is like, one of the few ones back in the day. But here, obviously, if you have followed, check out their channel if you're interested in looking at Lucid Motors. And again, this is Lucid Motors. Like in terms of my opinion on CCIV, they have to merge before I can speak on that. But just showing you generally like Lucid Motors and the potential of it. I mean, it looks pretty bright to me. And here I'll just skip through this because I don't want to, bore you. But I just want to show you like, hey, they got this massive factory right here. You can see they're building the cars. Like it's not like, hype that they don't have everything built yet. Like they have the robots. You can see here, they're already pretty much creating everything, getting started. And this factory is, I think it was capable of 34K, they stated. So they're still going to produce a few thousand within this year. But again, I have to double check the exact numbers. But yeah, this is the one that they have here. And then obviously there's more videos on their channel regarding the, e-hang behind the scenes. And then just looking at here, again, just to reiterate over the potential merger. Again, to my knowledge, I have not seen anything. If you have seen anything, or in case you're watching this in a future time and it's already happened, definitely comment down below. But the thing is, if it doesn't happen, which I keep stating in my previous videos, is this price is most likely going to drop way back down. Now, I don't know how far. I would assume it would go back to the $10 mark if it doesn't actually happen. But based off this, like if it doesn't happen, I mean, that's going to be insane because like everyone, pretty much media, everyone's talking about this. So I feel like it'd be a foolish move not to. But again, I don't know the behind the scenes, like their business model, what they're doing. So we have to wait and see. But yeah, you can see this pretty much this article talks about the forecast. And in case you can see here, I mean, Tesla too. I'll bring up Tesla too. You can check out Tesla. Today, I mean, it's in the red, but I mean, obviously Tesla market cap is ginormous compared to Lucid Motors. Well, technically CCIV stock right now. So if these numbers, maintain their position to where they pretty much don't correct and the market cap drops like crazy, but if let's just say, for instance, they merge, the market cap's, 12 bill-ish, give or take. If it could even get a fraction of that, half of Tesla's market cap, at least today's price, like, I mean, literally that's insane return, right? Obviously, that's, hoping for everything, but I think that's going to be multiple years before that happens because you got to remember Tesla, I mean, they went through everything, so they have pretty much a dominant player right now in the US. And there's this interview I was watching with this one expert talking about Tesla's like behind the scenes, and they're stating how like they created their own material to where it makes it almost perfect every time they produce a car. And they're referencing like Legos. I believe it was on Meet Kevin's channel. You can check it out. And pretty much they're stating like how there's no competition for Tesla in terms of this space because they're so far ahead. They'd have to do something horrific to essentially let these competitors catch up, because based off what they have for like their model cars and like everything, designs and all that, it's so advanced that companies that are trying to compete, he doesn't see them even catching up. Again, we'll have to wait and see what happens, but just wanted to share you some thoughts on Tesla too. And definitely let me know in the comments below what you think of Lucid Motors and this potential merge with CCIV. Do you think it's actually going to happen? If so, let me know some resources down below to check into it. And aside from that, if you made it this far in the video and you want to get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850, then all you need to do is go to the description below, click on that link, and then simply sign up. And then once you deposit a minimum of $100 or more, you'll receive up to 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. And then if you use my link, I'll also receive 2 free stocks as well. And the benefits both of us. And aside from that, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more news updates on the market. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.